Okay guys, this is single strokes exercise number 1 from your drum starter pack. We've got 1 bar of singles and we're going to repeat it 4 times. Here we go. Okay, exercise number 2. We're going to do single strokes, but we're going to add the bass drum in. So every right hand, we're going to play with the bass drum. So it'll sound like this: snare drum and bass, and then a left hand on its own. Snare drum and bass, left hand on its own. Here's 1 bar. I'm going to click you guys in and you're going to try and play 4 bars with me. 2, 3, 4. Two more bars. Last bar. Good job. You have made it onto double strokes. This is right, right, left, left. Here is what 1 bar sounds like. We're going to try and do 4 bars linked together. If you can do that, you get your tick for this exercise. 2, 3, 4. Bar 2. Bar 3. Last time. Okay, you are onto doubles with the bass drum. Now we're going to play right hand on the snare with a bass drum and then a snare on its own. Then we're going to do left hand on the snare with a bass drum and then a snare on its own. So I'll put that together slowly. That's what doubles with the bass drum sounds like. Here's 1 bar. And what we want you to do is to play that 4 times round. Here we go, let's give it a try. 2, 3, 4. Bar 2. Bar 3. Last time. Okay, you've made it onto Paradiddles. This is right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. It's a bit of a mouthful. Let's try it on the snare drum. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. We're going to do it 4 times round, okay? About this speed. After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more bars. Last time. Okay, Paradiddles with the bass drum. Right hand on the snare and a bass. Left hand on its own on the snare. Right hand on the snare with a bass. And then a snare on its own. Still with your right hand. Let's put that together. Now we're going to do left, right, left, left. First left has got a bass drum. Right on its own on the snare. Left with the bass. And then left on its own. So just with the hands, left, right, left, left. With the bass drum. That's tricky, but we're going to try and put it all together. Okay? Here's just the hands. With the bass drum. Let's do 4 bars of that together. 2, 3, and a 4, and a right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. 2 more times. Right, left. Last go. Good job.